Sandiego Ancestral House. So this was actually built 1675. Well, now considered as one of the oldest houses in the Philippines and possibly the oldest Chinese home which is outside China. This is also included in a book entitled Chinese Houses of Southeast Asia. So original owner was a Chinese merchant. Family name is Yap. Now it was owned by Filipino Sandiego since Filipino married to Chinese. So that is why the house later known as Yap Sandiego Ancestral House. And recognized by the Department of Tourism. So structure of this house is still 90% original. Lower walls made out of coral stones. And then original all of the pillars, even the flooring, the stairs, and when you go up, the roof which is made out of clay. Now, all of the artifacts that you can see right here, these were collections of materials from 16th century down to 1940s. And they were owned by different generations of families with big collections. So now, that wedding photo, family portraits out there, all of those family paintings upstairs, they're now the present owner, direct descendant Sandiego, a 10th generation. So the couple now is on their 60s. In fact, they sleep last night here and then Saturday night. So honestly, the family still using this house every weekend. Why? Simply because they don't want the house to be abandoned totally. The last time they actually lived in here, full-time resident, is 2007. So they just moved out when they opened this, an official private museum, 2008, and since then they always come here every weekend. Now, this is a privately owned museum, so we don't have any restrictions in here. I mean, you are allowed to take photos, even using flash anywhere it's okay. Taking videos as well, sitting on a chair, or even gently touching on the artifacts. In short, you can do whatever you want. Just be careful not to break anything, alright? Even upstairs, you're also allowed to use your phones and cameras. But once again, 1675, so how old the house is. To be exact, now it's on 348 years old. So it's up to you where to start, either here, garden, or upstairs. Feel free to explore, alright? Or you can roam around. Thank you.